So here's what happens. We're going to do that turn. You're going to go through, but then you're going to come back when we turn the rope the other way. On your second time going this way, you take the second person with you.
Hey everyone, it's Chris from FlagHouse, and this week I'm here with John Smith, and we're going to be looking at some things you can do with the Max Static Rope.
The Max Static Rope is cut to 30 feet, great for group jumping, large group activities. We're going to be doing some through, turnstile, and over and back activities with our group.
So make sure you guys stay tuned. We've got some great activities coming up with these. And if you love activities like this, then you should subscribe to the FlagHouse activity channel. We have great games and activities coming to you every single week. Coming up next, the Max Static Rope, here on the FlagHouse activity channel.
We are going to do an activity now with a very long rope, a 30-foot long rope. And we're not going to jump, but we're going to work as a group to try to solve a problem. The first one is called Turnstile. And have you ever gone to a turnstile going into an airport or a movie theater where you have to go through the gate? It's the same type of thing. We're going to go through without stopping, making it as simple as possible. No jumping, just through. I will give you the secret though. When the rope comes towards you and goes past your nose, and it goes, that's the time to go in. Got it? So the rope is going to go around like this. That's all it's going to do. So when it goes past your nose, you're going to go right toward that camera, then around me and back to the end of the line. Whenever you're ready. Okay, was that past your nose or, okay, here comes the next person. Go around me. You better go a little quicker though. Get caught in that turnstile. Nice. Not too hard, is it? No. The only trouble is we have to do it consecutively. So if she goes through, you have to go through on the next turn. And we're going to see how many turns in a row we can get. The record is 180.
What?
There's one. Oh, you didn't go consecutive. There's one. There's two. Oh, 1, 2. Oh, what? Oh! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Ah, we got them. Okay, so that's one at a time. Now we're gonna go two at a time. So you gotta go through with a partner. There's one. There's two, yes. 3, yes. 4, yes. Come on.
3.
Ah, pretty good. 3s now. 3s.
Come on, you guys.
Okay, here we go.
1, 2, 3.
Quickly get back. Come on, come on.
3.
Ah! Okay, so we did one at a time, then 2, then 3. That's our turnstile. The next one is called over and back. And it's a little bit easier for one person, but then it builds up to 2 to 3 to 4 to 5 to 6. So here's what happens. We're gonna do that turn. You're gonna go through, but then you're gonna come back when we turn the rope the other way. On your second time going this way, you take the second person with you. Okay. So then you go 2 over and 2 back, then 3 over and 3 back, then 4 and 4. So the first one you're by yourself. It's called over and back. And we'll change the direction of the rope once she gets to the other side.
1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3.
Oh, we're getting there on 5.
1, 2, 3.
Come on, we can do it. We can do it.
1, 2, 3.
Come on, we're almost there.
1, 2, 3.
Yes! Well done. How was over and back?
That was better.
Yeah, over and back was cool.
Really good.
You have to work as a team though, don't you? You really have to do it as a team. We had over and back going the other day, 20 people. Starting with 1, then 2, and they had to do it on every single turn of the rope. Boy, did they have to work. They had to work. But thank you very much. That was jump rope activities with our long 30-foot rope.
Thanks for watching. Make sure to give us a like, share, or comment to let us know how we're doing. Now go ahead and click over here to subscribe to our YouTube channel. And remember to hit that notification bell so you don't miss out. We have a new video every Wednesday. Click over here to see more of our videos, or down here to get great downloadable activity guides. See you next time on the FlagHouse Activity Channel.